Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be January. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
So for today, I'll be bringing you guys along with me throughout the day. So I have a couple of errands to do. I have to go to Sephora, do the groceries, plan my week, plan my recipes. And so I just finished training in my new activewear from H&M. This sports bra is super nice, super comfortable, and there's a very nice support. So I'm going to start with a nice cup of coffee and let's get started. So this is our new coffee machine. So is the NESPRESSO collaboration with BRULÉ Nespresso machine. So it's the Creatista and it's super nice. We just got it. We also got this box with all of the flavors. It's just good to have when you first get an espresso machine, because you have like all of the different flavors and you really get to know which one you like for the future. So yeah. So I've been really enjoying this pod here. So it's the caramel brûlée one, also the vanilla one. Which one? Vanille éclair, very good as well. So let's start. So this is my breakfast. I just made some quick eggs with some veggies, avocado, some salsa, and Chance, are you hungry? So we just left the house. Now we're heading to the mall. And where are we going, babe?
We're going to wonderful Sephora.
And my mom's calling me, so I'll see you later. So my friends got this for me the other day, and I felt like I had to share it with you guys. So it's all these Hallmark ornaments. So there was Mickey, you have Minnie, then you have these mini ones. So this is the Mickey Mouse. Then look at this mini one with these mini cupcakes and this little cute macaroon to add to the Christmas tree right here. So I'll just be adding the little macaroon, and voila. Hi guys, so while editing my vlog, I just noticed that I never showed you guys what I got from Sephora. So I got a few stuff. I first got the Dr. Dennis Universal peeling. So the first one is the exfoliate and smooth, and the second one is anti-aging neutralizer. So you first use the first one, then the second one, and honestly I see a huge difference in my skin already. I've been using it for, I would say, 2-3 days, and it's amazing. Then after I got the Peter Thomas Root Hydrogel eye patches. So it's super nice because you could just scoop it out, and let's see if it focuses. And it keeps the liquid inside. Honestly, I like these because I find they don't slide off of my face compared to other eye patches. So this one is a good product as well that I'm liking. Then we finished our Caudalie hydrating mist, so we decided to switch it up and do the Dr. Jart Cicapair Calming Mist. So this one here. Afterwards, I've been looking for a deodorant for the longest time, something that doesn't stain my clothes, or I find that midday I have to reapply my deodorant. I don't know, it's because I'm using natural deodorant and it's not doing 100% the job. But I found this Nécessaire deodorant. It's eucalyptus. It's pretty small for the price. I think it was like $28. But so far I'm loving it, and for training as well, test it out, it's really good. Then I got the Lip Glossy Kopari lip balm. Let me see. The lip balm. Then I had to pick up one of my favorites. So it's the Pharmacy Coconut Gel Sheet Mask. So I've been using this for a while now, and I really like it. It's super good, and it's with collagen. So afterwards, we got a kit from Sephora. So it's the First Aid Beauty. So it comes in 5 steps. So you have the cleanser from First Aid Beauty in it. Then it comes with the toner pads. Then it comes with the hydrating cream. So I've used this one in their smaller formula, and I really like it, so we picked up the bigger one. So all of the First Aid Beauty brand is super clean, and it's made for people that have very sensitive skin. So I normally break out when I put the new product on my face. I normally break out right away, and with these I find it's super good. Haven't had any reactions to it. So then we have the Eye Duty illuminating cream. So it's in a smaller container, but you don't need that much for your eyes. I'll show you the inside. It's so nice. After, I picked up a new beauty blender, and that's about it. So I'll put all of the items in the description bar below if you guys are interested in purchasing anything. And yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and give it a little subscribe if you want to see the rest of my holiday video.